So, what's it like to get into a MacBook? Well, that's what it looks like when you first open it. It says designed by Apple. Okay, so then you flip it open. This is going to be coming up, so rotate it around. And it's all wrapped. Oh my goodness. Alright. So where is this? Oh, it's got it on the side. Look at that. It comes wrapped. How sweet. Okay. Now, it's all metal, and up it comes. How nice. It's so pretty. Okay, so then it comes with all this wrapped. Isn't it wonderful? It's like everything is beautiful. Well, I have one of these before, so I just plug it in. It pops in on the side. You get this little light on that tells you, aha, the power is working. Then to turn it on is over here. And I think what happens is it's going to start whizzing. What it wants to do eventually is hook up with your previous settings on a Macintosh. And they want to sell you something, certain protections. It says Macbook Pro. So this is the first of, oh look, see, this thing pops out, and this one pops in here. And what else is in here? Some sort of, the design is beautiful, isn't it? These must be the software pieces. Everything Mac, and everything else. All right, let's see what everything else is. We've got, this apparently is the applications install DVD. To use the hardware test, hold down the D key. Okay, now use English for the main language. That sounds good.
English.
Okay, so then I think we go down. Oh, just hit enter, I guess. Yeah. So if you've never had the experience of starting up a Macintosh, this is more or less what happens. Looks great, doesn't it? Willkommen! Yes, it's beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Operating system 10. Oh, see, so it tells you which country it is. It's the welcome screen. I guess it's okay. So then you go down here, and it's one of these touch pads. You can move it and then click it. There you go. And we like the US pad, right? Okay. Do you already own a Mac? If you have important information on another Mac, you can transfer it. Okay, so, oh boy, do not transfer my information now. Go. Oh, whoops, go back. You can transfer it all. Do not transfer. Let's start it from 0. Now what? Linksys. That looks like a good thing to link with. You know, that's my computer. See, I think this is cool because I haven't had to read any manuals Okay, so that should do it for now. Oh, you're going to get it.